up, guys? Country Garage here. Hey guys, got something in the mail today, and I'm pretty excited to put it in my Cateye. Got a pretty good deal on it. I know these normally sell for 200 plus. I got it for 150. Here y'all go. Cadillac cluster. It's gonna look a whole lot better. It's gonna match the scheme of the truck. And the best part, the main reason I got it is because of that right there. I want to know my trans temp. So it's a little dirty and dingy, so I'm gonna clean it up first. After I clean it up, I'm gonna install it. All right, guys. So I'm gonna hit it with some alcohol. Be careful if you're cleaning it like this. Most of the time, you'll probably be inside the car. Anyways, you don't want to get none down into the actual cluster where this hole is. Look at that. Holy crap. That was a close one. All right. You're looking right. Get it right. Get it right. Get it tight. So you're gonna need a little bit more love. Always try to go straight lines, because if you don't, it will, it's supposed to crack, scratch it up a little bit. So try to go straight lines. All right, now she's done. She's looking good. Let's go put it in. All right, I'm gonna start off. I'm gonna lower my column all the way down. Then I'm gonna turn the key over. Put it in first gear. That way I can get this cover off real quick. Let me go ahead and get that off. Set that to the side. 4 7mm should come right out. I mean, honestly, at this point though, it'd probably be a good idea to undo your battery, but I'm not doing that, so. You'll see there's 1 7mm right here, one right there, that one right there, and then one more down here. Fix it to do all those and pull them out. Right, so once you work it out, you're gonna want to pull this blue thing out, and then there's a little latch. You can kind of see it right here. You hear it unclicking? Once you do that, it'll pretty much, yeah. Be careful pulling on your wires and all that good jazz. Here's the oldie. Just playing, I ain't gonna throw it away. Try to sell it or something. And trying to put in the new one. Reverse steps. Thing right here. Stick it in right here. Damn. Make sure it's working. Oh boy, that be looking beautiful. Yes sir. Oh yeah. Look at that. This is another good way to lower your miles. Anyways, I'm gonna get it sent off eventually, but I took a picture of the old cluster to know how many miles I have on there, and I took a picture of this as well. That way I know how to keep track of it. Anyways, I'm finna put these screws back in and put everything back together and test out the trans gauge. Hopefully it works. We will see. I'm so excited. Anyway, I'm excited. I got it in. It looks great. Looks good. Everything works as it should. I haven't tested out the trans temp gauge yet. I'm gonna probably take it for a spin about 5 miles down the road and back, and then see if it raises. If it raises, I know it's good. So overall, simple, easy process, and this makes it look 10 times better. I'm trying to tell y'all right now. Even my wife said it looks better. So, yep. All right.